GreenChip is a web-based real-time stock market game where players can play the real stock market using virtual currency. GreenChip was developed by Micah Peterson, RJ Eppenger, Dan Gelok, and Cainan Barboza during DigitalCrafts Houston's June 2020 immersive cohort. One of our development goals for GreenChip had to do with authentication. Consequently, there was a significant amount of error handling to develop for user registration and sign-in. Authentication was provided via Firebase, and all password and username errors from that system are handled accordingly on the front end. When a new user signs in for the first time, they are given a portfolio of $10,000 which they can use to purchase stock. User portfolios are stored via Firestore, giving GreenChip backend support which allows users to sign in from anywhere, and allows returning users to access their previous portfolio and track their gains and losses. Regular API calls are made to keep stock price information updated, and changes are displayed in multiple places for quick visual assessment. Purchases are made with a search linked to another API call, providing the user a list of possible stocks to purchase. When clicked, a stock will display its information, including current price and the number of shares currently owned. Furthermore, yet another API call provides 3 news article links featuring recent news relating to that company. Purchases are evaluated mathematically, with error messages stopping the user from buying more than their current purchasing power. Sales are made in a similar fashion, with an API call providing a price with up-to-the-minute accuracy and error handling to keep the program working efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to check out source code or find out more about GreenChip, please check the link below.